Most people get this wrong when comparing Mistplay and AppStation. They assume one app automatically pays more than the other for everyone. Here's the truth no one tells you. The amount you earn can vary significantly based on your location, available games, promotions, and how you use the app. In this video, we'll compare Mistplay and AppStation in 2026, look at how each platform rewards users, and help you decide which one may be the better option for your situation. Let's get straight to the answer. Both Mistplay and AppStation are reward-based gaming apps that allow users to earn points or credits by playing mobile games and completing certain activities. Those points can typically be exchanged for available rewards such as gift cards or other redemption options. The first major difference is game availability. Depending on where you live, the games offered inside each app may be completely different. For example, Alex opens Mistplay and sees 10 high-reward games. Jake opens AppStation and finds a different set of offers with different earning rates. This means comparing earnings isn't as simple as looking at one screenshot online. But here's the problem. Many users focus only on the highest earning claim they see on social media. What actually matters is how consistently you can earn rewards over time. An app with slightly lower earning rates but better game availability may end up being more rewarding for you. Now here's where it gets interesting. Reward progression can differ between platforms. Some users report faster early progress on one app, while others prefer the game selection and reward structure of the other. This is why personal experience often matters more than general claims. Here's a quick win. If both apps are available in your region, test each one for a few days. Track how many points you earn, how many games you actually enjoy, and how quickly you move toward your first reward. This gives you real data instead of relying on someone else's experience. This is where most people fail. They choose an app based entirely on a single earnings video without considering whether the same opportunities are available in their country or on their device. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to decide. Ask yourself 3 questions. Which app offers more games you want to play? Which one provides clearer reward tracking? Which one helps you reach your first redemption goal faster? The app that wins those categories is often the better choice for you. Let's recap. Mistplay and AppStation can both provide rewards, but there is no universal winner. Earnings depend on location, game availability, promotions, and personal usage. The smartest approach is to compare both apps using your own results rather than relying solely on online claims. If this comparison helped you, leave a comment sharing which app you're using, hit the like button, and subscribe for more app reviews, earning app comparisons, and tech tutorials.